Hey guys, it's Miguel. I'm the multimedia director here at Nimaroh, and I'm here to help you guys get better at graphic design, motion graphics, and 3D rendering. You guys probably might know some of my TikTok videos that I've made, like this one, or this one, or this one. If you guys have ever had interest in After Effects, Illustrator, Photoshop, or Blender, this YouTube channel is here to help you become a better creator. So a couple things I want to cover on this YouTube channel are workflow, so how to take pen and paper design into Illustrator, Photoshop, or After Effects, and then also design principles, so that could be anything from color theory to what is the best way to package a logo. And finally, we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty on hardware. What's the best machine you can build or buy to create the best work of art? With that being said, I know you guys have a lot of questions of your own, so drop them down in the comments and let me know what you want to see me work on next. Until then, see ya!